Okay, so the floss is tied to Caden's tooth, and the other end is tied to Harley's collar, because Harley's going to pull Caden's tooth.
Okay, put your hands behind your back. Hands down.
Not yet. I just
Put your hands down so she can do it. Come on, we're ready. One.
just 1 second.
Okay, 1, 2,
No,
3.
no. Don't do it.
Don't freak out.
I don't want to do it.
Ready?
No. I'm not ready. I don't want to do this
Come on, Hart.
anymore.
Hart, come on.
Hey! Stop it!
She did it! Yay! She did it! Hard!
Woo! High five.
You did it! It's out! Let me see.
I can stop crying.
Caden, let me see. Smile. I gotta stop crying.
I just want
What? Honey, you did it! It's out! It's all done!
Here, rinse
It's
your
all
mouth.
done.